Welcome to the Weekly Dog Sportsman Podcast Show. It's your boy Malcolm Scott, the man Russian.
And I'm Salim, the man Taylor Street.
Today we got two guests, man, brothers. I can't wait to introduce y'all. I feel like it's gonna be a hype show. You know, my brother Brian, my brother Alan. What's the name of the company, bro? What's the name of the company?
Hey, no, we in the dark room right here, man.
The dark room.
The dark room.
Yeah, we here.
Yeah, so we in here, yeah. So these brothers, man, they like the host of a private room that we all enjoy and been loving. So if y'all into poker, y'all gonna really love this episode.
Yes, sir.
You know, I just want to say, man, first off, man, what made y'all come up with the whole idea of a private poker room we play online?
Well, it started off where I was running home games, and the job that I took on outside of running the home games, I had to travel for work. So at the end of the day, I'm like, well, I still need to make a little side money. So I might as well jump online, run a game, you know, at the same time where I could work at the same time too. So I started that up. I ran it for a little while. Called Alan up, his assistants and some of his players. Just teamed up and got it cracking.
Okay.
Yeah, that's pretty much what it is. I mean, it was always his game, you know, and I just came to him and.
Yeah, my man, we just had it off the, you know, we trying to get the mic together. Go ahead.
No, it's all good. I probably. But anyways, it was always, you know, Brian's game. I just kind of came to him like, hey, you know, I got some ideas and, you know, some players, and so we connected.
Right.
We basically family.
Hey, the group has been so fun. You know what I mean? So anybody out there, if y'all come across this on the LA, understand that this group, Joe, it's a fun group, and man, I've been promoting. I've been trying to get people to join the room because at the end of the day, it's entertainment, and a lot of us as brothers, and we having a good time. You know what I mean? It's not even about like brother things. It's like. I want to say this right here. I'm gonna kick it off. I want to kick it off with you, Alec, because I know you an avid player too. So I want to start this question off with you, bro. And I want you to answer this too.
Yeah.
Probably. Who is your biggest rival in the dark room?
On the poker game. That's a good question because
who your biggest
me
rival?
and him have had this conversation. Like we have a Wednesday game, and then Thursday morning we'll be on the phone. And I'm like, oh man, dude, this person just got me, and they got me again, and they got me again. I don't know. I'm gonna say right now, my biggest rival is Mo Money.
Mo? Mo Money. Yeah, shout out Mo Money. What is he? Mo Money 86? Is it?
I think it's just Mo. Is it 86?
86. Mo Money 86.
He got a lot of my money.
I ain't gonna lie. I've been in the poker room not a long time, but Mo Money been fucking me up too.
Yeah,
in the room.
I don't like him. Especially when it get late.
He definitely on my bounty list.
After midnight, he be, man, get me.
Alec, what about you though, bro? Like, how you feel, man? Like, let me know, man. Let me know, cause you a pro.
I got a few of them on there, but I have to say because he plays on there the most, it's Blue Note.
Note.
Busting his ass.
Yeah, shout out Note. Blue Note.
Shout out Blue Note.
Yeah, right. Blue Note hard. Yeah. I got a vendetta with Blue Note too. I ain't gonna lie. He one of the guys. Blue Note, one of y'all definitely on the list. But I want to kick this question off with you, Joe, because you know, you probably it's your game. You know, I want to know who your top 5 like dogs and how many people in the room. It's about what? So you ain't got to give me an exact number, but it's what?
Close to 100 and something members.
Close to 100 something?
Yeah.
Y'all 140?
40. Now, active is a lot less.
Yeah.
Right. But total members though,
140.
That's a nice group.
Active.
That's a nice group. Out of that group of numbers, your top 5, Joe. Who your top 5?
Top 5. I've been playing for a minute.
Exclude yourself. Don't put yourself in there.
I can't put myself in there?
Nah, don't put yourself in there.
I'll definitely put myself in there.
For me,
obviously you gonna say you're number 1.
No, I'm gonna say Blue Note on there, Mo Money, Bada Bing, he's a good player.
Bada! Ooh, shout out Bada B. He creased me early when I first got in the game.
I don't like
Bada was creasing me early, cuz. He fell out. I used to be looking for Bada. Bada B, yeah.
They're the ones that kind of stand out because they play the most on there.
Yeah.
So you got Blue Note, you got Boba, you got Bada B. That's 3. You can't count yourself. So you got to come with 2 more.
Yeah, I'm trying to think right now.
The names be crazy.
Yeah, because so many people be changing their names on there all the time. So
That part.
They could be one name 1 week and then 2 weeks later they
might be playing better or worse as a man.
Damn.
All right, help him out, Alan. Who you got? Who you got? Help him out, Joe. Help him out.
For me, well, like I said, some of the players, they deal with Brian. They've been with him a long time. Some players are, my players, I would say, more or less, that they came to the game with me, So, what I would say is, the people who play the most, I think, are the people who either win or lose the most. But my top 5 players, I would probably say, Happy Gilmore.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I forgot about Happy.
That's trash.
Yeah, the trash list with Doug. That's the number Doug list.
You notice I don't like his people, he don't like my people.
Right, yeah, let's get into it. Let's go.
I would say him. I would also say, who plays a lot? Jilla, he plays a lot. He might not be the best player, but he plays a lot.
Right.
I like him.
Shout out Jilla.
My girl Atlas, she's always in the game.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? She goes hard. She holds her own.
Yeah, I like that. Yeah, so we got female players in the game.
Oh yeah.
Oh, classic.
Yeah. It's been females in the game. They do this too. You know what I mean?
Right.
Yeah. Atlas better than most of the guys in there.
Yeah, I love it.
And who else would I probably go with? I would say certain people, but they get on my nerves, so I can't shout them out, like Beastie.
Certain of these people have had the biggest cash outs too.
Yeah, and I was
in the game. So like Mike Addy ain't been in the game for a minute.
Addy was solid in the mix. Addy was solid. Addy was solid. Since I probably been in the league. I want to call it a league, but it's more like the club. I might have been in the club, but probably less than a couple. But back all the names y'all ran, this guys I ran across in the street was like, man, I remember. We gonna work. We gonna do business again out here, and we gonna see how it ends up.
What I want to say is, period, is that my favorite players is the players who bring more players, like my man here. You know what I'm saying? You bring players. You refer people like, hey, try the game out. My man Pocket Change, he refer players. Come try the game out. So that's my kind of person who's spreading the love and who's also passing it on and saying, hey, come check us out over here and that type of thing. So that's my favorite type of player. Period. Is somebody who's just showing love and spreading it, spreading the word and bringing more people.
Yeah, I got a vulgar name. My name Broke Bitch. It's kind of vulgar, so I know it might feel a little uncomfortable saying my name, but it's cool. Hey, listen. But I be game banging on that motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie. I'll be in there ready for game bang and have fun.
That's
and
right.
I'll be ready to crash out.
I'm glad I could put a name with the face. You know what I'm saying? Talk some shit on
kick back. So that's what it's all about. At the end of the day, it's entertainment, man.
That's the
metaverse. Yeah, that's cool. But hey, I want to go on record and thank y'all and give y'all flowers, because man, I love that experience. Because I had that experience once, we used to have games every Friday for a minute, like probably about 4-5 years the games ran. Long part and a lot of friends, a part of that circle. Some that passed away or whatever, but live games, you know what I mean? Cash games, house games.
Like mobile games.
And well, I come from a car house. Like my mama done played cards.
Right.
I come from a car house. We played deuces. We played tough. You know what I mean? So this was having a cash game, like, you know, and the mix was like, man, that was a real way to, you know what I mean? We tuned in. It's part of our culture. And then us in the poker and y'all bring it to the metaverse in a way so we can all still enjoy it. Feel like it's in my living room, but it's in the palm of my hands. So that shit cold, bro. So I want to thank y'all for that.
We appreciate it, man.
Yeah,
Thank you.
because that shit cold, bro. That's a nice, that shit
We
cold.
appreciate the opportunity to come on here and talk about it. You know, it's just a way for people to, you know, have another little hobby to do from their living room. You don't got to get up and go nowhere. You don't want to play Candy Crush. You don't want to play whatever other games they got. Get on this one. You know, your parlay ain't hit. Get on this one.
You don't like niggas dancing in your videos.
Come on this.
Yeah, come to the dark room.
You can be anywhere in the country. You know, anywhere in the world. We don't
I
care.
love it. That's it right there, man. Dark room, poker club. Man, check the comments. The link's gonna be in the comments. If you know, you know. But brother, hey, y'all about the sports. This is the Sportsman Podcast, man. Y'all ready to get into it, Joe?
Absolutely.
Our Hoop coming up next. Let's talk about some basketball. Y'all with it, Joe?
Yeah.
Man, let's break the cherry here. We on Sportsman Podcast. I'm not gonna Scott the man Russian.
And I'm Salim on Taylor Street.
We coming back. Our Hoops other side of the break.